Deciding between Uipath's free community version and its paid enterprise plans is crucial for your automation journey, so let's figure out which path truly delivers more value for you. Step 1. Evaluate the free community tier. This is fantastic for individual developers, students, and small businesses just starting out. You get access to the core studio, assistant, and one unattended robot, perfect for learning and building basic automations. Keep in mind, the free tier has limitations, especially around centralized management through Orchestrator, the number of robots you can run automatically, and access to official support while you're relying mainly on community forums. Step 2. Assess the power of enterprise paid plans. If you're a larger business, need to scale automation, require robust governance, or plan complex, business-critical automations, the paid tiers, like Pro or Enterprise, become essential. These plans unlock advanced Orchestrator features for managing hundreds of robots, provide dedicated technical support, offer enhanced security protocols, and grant access to powerful tools like AI Center for Intelligent Automation. Step 3. Compare critical feature differences. The biggest jumps are in scalability with multiple unattended robots, full-featured Orchestrator for control, guaranteed support SLAs, and access to cutting-edge AI capabilities available only in paid versions. Step 4. Align your use case. Are you learning, automating personal tasks, or a small team with simple needs? Free is likely sufficient. Are you automating core business processes, managing multiple users, and need reliability and scale? Paid is the way to go. Step 5. Decide based on scale, support, and budget. Consider your long-term automation goals, team size, technical support needs, and budget. If growth and robust management are key, investing in a paid plan often provides significantly more worth through efficiency and capability. Ultimately, the worth depends on your specific requirements. Start free if you're exploring, but plan for paid tiers when your automation ambitions grow serious.